morning. Welcome. We are on the official June 10th, 2024 Hot Rod Power Tour, Bowling Green. We are here. We made it through yesterday without any issues. And I'm at a car wash because I'm lazy and I don't feel like doing anything really with the car. So we're gonna get it a quick wash. Got vacuums over there. We'll go get it vacuumed up, cleaned up, and then we'll head on over to the event here a little bit later. Did get pre-checked in early. Perfect yesterday. Got a new hat. Cool. So, yeah, that's what I got. I'm going to get this thing washed up and cleaned up. Well, got all spick and span up. We are on the move, and we're heading to the first location for Power Tour. Got these fellers behind us. We met at the hotel. They're tracking us. Don't know their names yet, but I'm sure we'll figure it out. And yeah, I think we're pretty close. So sit back and figure out some cool stuff. I don't know which way. What the hell way are we going? What are we doing? I don't know, but apparently we're going this way. That place is for sale. Golf course. Big houses, holy crap. Very nice. We got some rides here. Kind of neat. Got the magnolia trees. These are awesome. Traffic stopped just a little bit, but Christopher's over on the other side too, getting all taken care of. But a lot of cool cars here. So as usual, we're in traffic and it's bumper to bumper. So just met these guys behind me. They got a Monte Carlo. I think sounds great. Stock 350. So we'll have to check that thing out when we get in. But here comes a Supra. Supra. Couple Camaro, not Camaro, Corvettes, Mustang. That's what drove me, was that Mustang. And all sorts of, you got a square body. Got the camera guy set up in the shade. Probably getting some good pictures from in here. So that guy was just driven by passion photography. So talked to him for a few seconds there, and yeah, he's got a couple shots of the car. So awesome. Awesome. Looks like we got some folks up here that might be broken down. Gonna see if they need some help. Already gave a thumbs up to another guy back there. He was good with his hood open, maybe just sitting there watching the cars. But it's a beautiful day. I mean, it's nice. Temp is not too hot. I mean, it's perfect. I couldn't ask for anything better. I'm sure everyone on Power Tour can't ask for anything better. So yeah, I'm gonna get in here and we'll get some content when we get in, unless anything else pops up. Some guys back there have a Camaro, not getting spark on it. They said they were good. Offered up the multimeter if they needed it. I was just gonna give it to them, but they said they were good, but no spark, broke down Camaro. Hopefully they get that thing rendered here pretty quick. At least they're on a route where there is a ton of vehicles and gearheads and mechanics that can help out. Also, shameless plug, if you guys want to get some two-stall garage shirts or hoodies, because that's all I can afford at this time, go check one out. I make absolutely no money off of them. I just make them so I get free advertisement. That's all I use it for. Two-stall garage, links in the bio. I'll put a tag, I guess, or a card, whatever they call it, up here, this corner, that corner. One of these corners, there'll be linked to the merchandise for some shirts and hoodies, but all different colors, black, gray, and white. So go check one out. Appreciate it. Appreciate all the new subscribers. If you're new here, Hot Rod Power Tour is an annual thing, and it's fun. You should do it. Pull something out of the weeds, the tree row, come out and do it. Get it running. No one cares what the hell kind of make it is, model. Just come do it. Even if you got your daily driver that's a Kia Sorento, like that one. Just come do it. Just enjoy it. Make sure this thing stays alive. People support it, and you just have fun doing it. Talk amongst all the gearheads that are out here and checking things out. So that's off my soapbox. Now back to the content. Fences of Kentucky. Big giant fields. This is nice. This is cool. Tons and tons of cars. Wow. That house is pretty neat. But coming in here, participant parking. Let's get her done.
Corvette's freaking flying. Did it pretty quick. Yeah, C10.
So as you can tell, we made it in. Lots of good activity, great fun. It's just, it's always a blast. And I found an Angus right over there. Man, look at Angus. Long hauler pass. You got her. Wow. That is something. That is something. Time to have a little fun. We're gonna go see what the Impala runs in a quarter mile. And I don't know, maybe we'll break it. Who knows? Let's go check it out. The line's filling up quick. We're gonna run it. Gotta wait. I think they got cleaning the track, doing some track prep, but let's see what we end up getting. Also, my light over there is having a seizure. I guess it's something we'll have to address. Yep. Okay, on to drag racing. I might be running solo. I was trying to hope maybe go against that Holden there, but he kind of wants to think and take the Camaro. We'll see. Well, of course, my oil dipstick tube decided to just boop, and I was spewing oil every frickin' where. And go figure. Yeah, as you can see from Christopher's video here, yeah, it's not good. I think I smoked the track and I pissed off everyone. So, lovely. So, yeah, I don't see anything else super wrong, but I guess the good news is I ran a 14.7. That's nice. That's nice. Oh well. Well, she's all running fine now, I guess. Probably gonna burn some stuff off the exhaust, but hey, I've never had that happen before. Stupid. So we just left the tower. We talked to them. We watched Justin run. That was pretty good. Now we're just watching some drag racing here, or the autocross racing. Merrill going by me. I couldn't get my slip, but saw the video there. Christopher had the time and everything. 14.7. 14.7 at 93 miles an hour. It is what it is. So oil dipstick tubes there. I'm not going to beat on it anymore. I think I got oil still dripping down. I don't want to put any more on the track. So we're just going to go around and enjoy everything now. Mustangs that spits at you. Yeah. Yeah. Look at that Impala. 67. Yeah. Look at this thing. That is sweet. Justin, what are you doing?
Wow. And I think I got a front rim that is out of balance from a gnarly Kentucky freeway bump. So I figured I would just put the different rims and tires I had on it. Instead of, going and spending $13 for a balance.
Yeah. So those going back in the back of the truck then?
Yep.
Cool. Well, probably super windy, but sorry. We're wrapping up here at the Corvette Museum. They're closed for the day, which is all right, but Justin's just over there finishing up putting his front rims on. And I don't know, I think we're gonna go get some, but it's gonna wrap it up for this one. I might have some other footage here with nighttime activities, but that's gonna do it for day one Hot Rod Power Tour. Impala ran, made a mess, blew up that dipstick tube running. But hey, ran a 14.7 in the quarter mile. That's pretty sweet. So thanks everyone for watching. Please like, subscribe, share, and get this video up and out. And we'll see you tomorrow. If you're around this week, Hot Rod Power Tour, see me. Come say hi. See ya.